Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your LinkedIn profile created date. This is particularly useful if you need to verify how long you've been on the platform, whether for professional milestones or just out of curiosity about your LinkedIn journey. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password to access your profile. After you're logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically a small circular image of your profile picture. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account configurations and privacy controls are managed. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, you'll be taken to a new page with multiple tabs and options. On the left side of the Settings page, you'll notice a navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Data Privacy and click on it. This section contains all the tools related to how your data is handled and shared on LinkedIn. Within the Data Privacy section, you'll see various options for managing your information. Look for the option that says Manage Data Permissions and click on it. This area allows you to control specific permissions related to your LinkedIn data and see information about your account. Now here's where you'll find what you're looking for. Navigate to the last page within the Manage Data Permissions section. You may need to scroll down or click through a few options to get there, so take your time and make sure you're on the final page of this section. On this last page, you'll see a line that says you joined LinkedIn. Right next to this text, you'll see a date displayed. This date is exactly what you've been looking for. It shows you the exact day you created your LinkedIn account. This information can be helpful for tracking your professional history on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully found your LinkedIn profile creation date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.